Hi, I want to show you a couple of management operations on MultiversX fungible tokens. Issuing such tokens should probably be done using a proper release cycle based on smart contracts, but let's see how simple it is with Buildo.dev. First, let's issue a fungible token. Its name will be fungible, and the ticker will be FNG. We need to define the number of decimal places, in this case, 18, which is similar to the native EGLD token. We also need to set the initial supply. We can also determine the properties of the token. Let's check all of them for now. The cost for issuing is always 0.05 EGLD plus some transaction fees. After confirming, we will broadcast the transaction. We can check each transaction in the MultiversX Explorer. Remember, we work on the DevNet, so there is no real money here, but all operations are also possible on the mainnet. After issuing the token, it should be available in the Explorer shortly. While waiting for the results in the Explorer, we can continue working with the new token. The next step is to provide roles for our manager. You can have multiple addresses with such roles. I'll set 2 first roles for my address because I want to manage the supply, and I don't want to restrict the transferability of the token. We have checked the Can Add Special Roles property on the token, so we can go back and add or remove some roles in the future. I won't go through all the operations, like freezing, wiping, or pausing the token, but let's check how simple it is to manage the token supply. We can add or remove the amount. Of course, we need proper roles for our address that will allow that. Initially, we had a supply of 100 million. Let's burn some, like 100,000. Remember that our token has 18 decimal places. It is important to include that when providing the amount to burn. As you can see, our supply has decreased to 99,900,000. Now let's see how to send tokens to another address. Let's send 100,000. You don't have to worry about decimal places here. It is simplified in this form. You can just put the amount. As you can see, we have two token holders, our own and the receiver of our last transaction. You can do more. You can transfer token ownership, change properties and roles, and freeze and wipe tokens from addresses. All of this is based on the properties and roles setup. Buildo.dev can also simplify management for other tokens. Check it out until the next time. Thanks.